How to send Bitcoin from SafePAL to CashApp. I'm gonna teach you how to send Bitcoin from SafePAL to CashApp with this tutorial. First, on your main page, on SafePAL, choose Bitcoin. After that, tap on Send. Then, you just need to type the address of the person you want to send the Bitcoin to. To do that, you need to go to CashApp. Then click on the home screen, then select Bitcoin. After that, scroll down, then click on Get Paid with Bitcoin where it will show you your Bitcoin address. So, copy it, then go back to SafePAL. Paste the address on the top, then choose the amount you'd like to send. Click Next, and you're all done.